With the growth of technology in vehicles, you need a great scan tool to successfully complete most jobs. Introducing the Snap-on ETHOS PRO, a full-function scan tool at a technician-friendly price. ETHOS PRO gives you codes, live data graphing, bi-directional controls, functional tests, relearns, and adaptations. ETHOS Pro has OEM-specific coverage for 47 domestic, Asian, and European makes. Get deep coverage for dozens of systems on vehicles as far back as 1983, including new technologies like TPMS, hybrid power, park assist, and steering angle sensor. You need uncomplicated solutions for complex problems. ETHOS Pro boots in just 10 seconds and provides results in as little as 30 seconds. It's powered through the data connector and has internal batteries, so you can keep moving all day long. Get a lightning-fast response using the 4-way keypad or the big 5.5-inch color touchscreen. ETHOS Pro gives you everything you'd find on the compact ETHOS Plus, along with additional features traditionally found only in higher-priced platforms, like powerful bi-directional controls to verify diagnosis and repairs, and relearns and adaptations to finish the jobs other tools can only start. You can even read service monitor data and reset maintenance lights. Now you're ready for every vehicle that rolls into your bay. With ETHOS Pro, you also get powerful OBD2 tools for checking readiness monitors, emissions-related codes, current data, freeze frame data, onboard controls, and permanent codes. View up to 7 live data points on screen at once, or compare any 4 in graphing mode. See the detail you need to catch the glitch and nail down tough problems. How about these big time savers? One-touch code scan and clear reads all available vehicle systems, and automatic vehicle ID eliminates the need to manually enter the VIN or vehicle ID on compatible vehicles. ETHOS Pro is loaded with customizable settings and tools to fit the way you work. Record and review live data. Create custom data lists to speed the display rate and compare exactly the data points you want. Set min-max triggers to flag data parameters that fall outside the normal range. Zoom in on graphs to see more detail or monitor vehicle performance over time. When you choose a Snap-on diagnostic tool, you gain a long-term partner. Experienced representatives are available to support you on our customer care hotline, and online training and support are available 24/7. Never wait to borrow the shop's tool again. With affordable ETHOS Pro, you can have your own full-function tool with famous Snap-on coverage. Entry-level pricing with capabilities that go way beyond entry-level. Get a head start with ETHOS Pro.